Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm about to share a little beauty secret that could transform the way you think about skincare. Firmness, radiance, hydration, these are all promises we look for in a skincare routine. But how often do you find a product that truly delivers on all fronts? Well, we're diving into the AHAVA Firming Sachet Kit, a compact yet potent trio that promises to bring out your skin's best. If you're someone looking for a way to boost your skin's firmness and radiance, stick around to see if this kit is worth the hype. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on honest beauty reviews like this one. Let's start with the essentials. The AHAVA Firming Sachet Kit includes a Multivitamin Massage Mask, a Day Cream SPF 30, and the C Serum. Each of these is designed to work synergistically to promote firm skin while providing hydration and luminosity. These products are packed with a variety of active ingredients, including vitamin C, D, E, Pro B5, Osmoter, Niacinamide, and Panthenol. Now, that's a powerhouse blend, and it's meant to target everything from dryness to lack of firmness. When it comes to texture and application, I was impressed by how easily each product absorbed into my skin. The mask has a creamy consistency, perfect for massaging into the skin, and it left my face feeling immediately smooth and hydrated. The Day Cream SPF 30 was lightweight, not at all greasy, and left my skin with a soft, matte finish, ideal for daily use. The C Serum with its brightening vitamin C felt refreshing and added an instant glow to my complexion. After a few uses, my skin looked noticeably plumper and more radiant. Let's talk about how the AHAVA Firming Kit stacks up in real-world testing. I used these products during both my morning and evening routines for several days, and I noticed that my skin looked brighter and felt firmer. The mask is best used once a week, while the Day Cream and Serum are perfect for daily use. As for longevity, the hydration factor stood out for me. My skin felt moisturized and smooth throughout the day without any dryness. The mask, in particular, was like a mini spa treatment that I looked forward to. Now, let's go over the pros and cons of this set. Pros. The inclusion of vitamin C and niacinamide in the serum made my skin look luminous and helped fade dullness over time. The Day Cream SPF 30 is a huge bonus. It's like getting skincare and sun protection in one step. The formula feels lightweight on the skin, making it easy to layer under makeup. Cons? The Multivitamin Massage Mask is a single-use sachet, so if you love it, you'll need to repurchase for each use. Some may find the price point a bit high for a kit with small sample sizes, especially considering that you can find similar ingredients in other products at a lower price. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this kit is a solid option if you're looking for a quick introduction to AHAVA's line, or if you're someone who wants to test the effectiveness of these ingredients before committing to full-size products. However, if you're looking for long-term use, the small sizes may not offer the best bang for your buck. Compared to other skincare kits at this price range, AHAVA stands out with its high-quality ingredients, but the price may be a little steep for some. If you're not ready to invest in this kit, there are other products with similar active ingredients, like vitamin C serums or hydrating masks, that could offer similar benefits at a more accessible price. I'm pleased with the overall build quality and longevity of this kit, especially considering the high standards AHAVA is known for. The packaging is sturdy, and while the sachets may not be the most eco-friendly option, they're convenient for trying the products without committing to full sizes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this kit, the link is in the comments. AHAVA's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, should you have any inquiries or concerns about the product. However, I've had no issues personally, and based on their reputation, I trust they'll take good care of their customers. As for updates, AHAVA is constantly improving their formulas and products, but there haven't been any major changes to this particular kit recently. If you're looking for similar products, you could try other brightening and firming skincare sets, such as those from Olay or L'Oreal, which also have great vitamin C serums and moisturizers at a slightly lower price point. To wrap things up, This AHAVA Firming Sachet Kit is a solid option if you're seeking to boost your skin's firmness and radiance in a short amount of time. It's great for those with dry or dull skin who want a more youthful, hydrated complexion. It might be on the pricier side, but the high-quality ingredients and multifunctional products do justify the cost. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.